What if your exhaustion isn't physical but spiritual? Let's explore the energetic cost of abandoning yourself and how to return. Welcome to Wholeness Wednesday, a trauma-informed session from Orgasmic Delicious Living Academy. Tonight's topic is both ancient and urgent, about soul fragmentation. Maybe a bit of a trigger warning to some. If you're sensitive, I suggest you tap out. From a clinical perspective, fragmentation describes the brain and body's dissociative response to overwhelming stress. In ancestral traditions, this is understood as parts of the soul or vital life force separating from the whole to survive trauma. So whether you call it soul loss, disassociation, or emotional compartmentalization, the symptoms are the same all across the board. So this is a topic that needs addressing because especially in the melanated community, we're always on the go, 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 go. Our culture is rise to the occasion. Even when we've gone through trauma, we're still getting up and we're going. So let's tap in. So all across the board, the symptoms will remain the same if your soul is splintered. You may experience chronic fatigue with no medical diagnosis, emotional numbness, apathy, or loss of identity, difficulty experiencing joy or deep connection, repeating harmful patterns that don't feel like you, addictions, escapism, and unexplained anxiety. And I know a lot of us have been experiencing these things, and especially post-COVID. So we're addressing it and we're going to come up with solutions. We're not going to band-aid the symptoms. So in clinical language, this reflects a dysregulated nervous system. In Taoist and indigenous healing frameworks, it reflects energetic dislocation, a scattering of your original essence. So let me tap in a little bit deeper and so you can understand what's happening. You can articulate in what happens to the body. A freeze and fawn is what happens when your body perceives danger. Everybody knows about flight or flight. These things protect you. These neurological hormonal responses protect us physically, but still can cause the spirit to be disassociated. And over time, the body may return to routine, but the soul does not. And without retrieval, wholeness cannot be restored, and we're moving in life fragmented. No bueno. So guided steps for gentle soul retrieval. So here at Orgasmic Delicious Living Academy, we teach that soul retrieval is not mystical. It is methodical and embodied. Number 1, create a safe container, turn off stimulation. So burn sage, clove, palo santo, pray, go to the water, whatever it takes for you to connect with your higher self, your higher power, do that. Number 2, somatic intent setting. So you want to speak aloud, use your voice. Say things like, I call back all parts of me that have been lost, taken, or given away across time, space, and memory, even time like past lives. Okay? Number 3, womb or heart anchoring. Place your hands on your womb or chest. Inhale slowly and exhale with the words, you are safe now, you can come home. Number 4, integration practice. Journal or move your body. Let your nervous system register the return. Do not underestimate the power of your voice, the power of your touch. You have the power to heal yourself. So let's dive a little bit deeper. I'm going to explain some Qigong tools for nervous system repair and soul integration. So from a traditional Chinese medicine and Taoist somatics, these 4 practices support the restoration of fragmented qi and soul essence. Number 1, Shen soothing Qigong. Organs involved are the kidneys, liver, heart, and the technique is a slow flowing movements over the heart with soft gaze and breath. You can say, I return to myself, I am whole. So the clinical benefits are parasympathetic activation and emotional reintegration, which simply means your body is returning to rest and repair in a digestive state. This is where you want to be. Number 2, 6 healing sounds. This focuses on releasing stored trauma through vibration and organ-toned breath. This is one of my favorites. If you check on my YouTube channel, I have a full session of the 6 healing sounds that you can practice at your leisure. Number 3, microcosmic orbit, breath and visualization cycle moving qi through the du and ren channels. So the technique is inhaling up the spine and exhaling down the front of the body. And the clinical benefits, it strengthens core energetic pathway, reorients scattered attention, and stabilizes your qi. This one, the microcosmic orbit, is very powerful, and I suggest that you do not practice it on your own because there are contraindications for the heart. If you have heart issues, it can overheat the heart, and if you don't know what to do, you can cause more damage than good. Number 4, the inner smile, which is Mantak Chia's favorite, which is mine as well. You'll feel the difference right away. The technique is smiling to your internal organs, your endocrine system, your digestive system, your brain, and your spinal cord, and you're going to breathe into the lower dantian. And you can say, you are safe, you are home. I call all parts of me back. The clinical benefits, it activates oxytocin release and supports emotional bonding and safety. Very, 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 very good inner alchemy meditation. Very simple, thanking your organs. So, soul fragmentation is not a flaw. This is what I come here to give you, this word, sound, and empowerment. You are not broken. You are not flawed. It's a natural response to overwhelm, but wholeness requires conscious reassembly. So you don't have to do Taoist practices. You can do a practice that resonates with you. The key with reintegration is doing something that you love consistently. And that's what we do here at Orgasmic Delicious Living Academy. We don't just talk about healing. We teach the physiology and energetics of coming back home to yourself. Again, you are not broken. And whenever you're ready, you can take control and the responsibility of your health and the health of your spiritual life when you're ready to return home. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, my details are in the description box below. And continue to have a restful, peaceful, energetic, sovereign, grounded Wholeness Wednesday. One love.